Hey guys, again I have another unboxing. And it's not actually an unboxing, it's just like I bought something else and I forgot to review it. So guys, let's review it together. Yeah, so I got something else at a shop called Max. There is a shop at Sunway Putra Mall in Kuala Lumpur. It's called Max. Yeah, and I've been looking for these bands for so long. These bands, you can use it when you're going to the gym, so that so that the sweat don't fall down to your face. So you can use this so that it can absorb the sweat when you're at the gym working out. So I want to start going to the gym because there is a gym at the apartment that I live in, but I've never been there. There's also a swimming pool and I've never been there, and I have swimming costumes, so I need to start working out for real. I need to learn how to swim. I need to work after the gym. So I decided to buy these headbands. They're for the gym. As you can see, they look so cute. The shop is called Max, so I bought them from the Max shop at Sunway Putra Mall if you're looking for this. And they're not so expensive, guys. It's only 19 ringgits at Sunway Putra Mall. The shop is called Max. If you find this, it comes as a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. There's different colors, but me, I decided to choose these normal colors because actually these are my favorite colors: white, gray, black. Like, I'm sure most of you have seen me with this kind of colors, guys. These are my favorite colors, and I found these pieces of headbands all together as one set, and it was only 19 ringgits. 19 ringgits is around 600 Kenya shillings. So this was only 600 Kenya shillings. I don't know how much I could have bought them in Kenya, but here I only spent 600 Kenya shillings to buy all these 4 bands, which I'll be using when I go to the gym. I think you can also use it like when you're wearing an outfit. Like, I think it matches with this my new airport outfit. You can see, guys, it actually, like, this white one matches with this outfit, guys. Yeah, it matches with most of my outfits because I'm a lover of white, of black and gray. As you can see, even my house in Mombasa, this is the theme: gray, black and white. Those are my theme colors, and those are my favorite colors. Oh, actually right now I'm also wearing white, black, and this color. You can see my hair matches with this color. It's like almost ivory. My hair color is ivory and this color is beige, so they almost match. So guys, this is what I'll be rocking. If you see me with these headbands, just know I bought 4 of them at only 600 Kenya shillings. So guys, this is the next hair thing that I bought. I don't know what it's called, but I just loved it, and it was only 10 ringgits. 10 ringgits is only 10 ringgits, it's 300 shillings. So 300 shillings only got me this cute hair bow. You can see, I think it's called a hair bow, and it has a cute clip. You can see, guys, it has a very cute clip. Let me see how it works. I haven't figured out how to open it yet, but I will try. Okay, I'm not really sure how to open this, but I will figure it out, and then you'll see me rocking this. I'm sure you've seen me with this kind of top, guys. If you scroll on my videos, you will find this kind of top. I like animal prints, so those are my favorites. So I decided to buy this because I have an outfit that matches with this, and I think it will match with most of my stuffs because most of my stuffs are this color or black. So I think it matches with anything. Also, my hair colors of this will match with this. So guys, that was it. This two unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. So I'll be rocking this, guys. So all these two costed only 900 shillings, guys. 900 shillings, not too much. So bye, guys.